Today we're going to talk about Noman Ali Khan. I'm going to do a lot of videos about Noman Ali Khan. Why? One of the basic reason is that when I was a Muslim, I used to like him. I used to like him a lot. Why? He's a very westernized kind of a Muslim. He wears normal people clothes. He talks like normal people. He uses English words. And then, he has some really good editors. There are a lot of his videos on Facebook and in YouTube where you will see a cartoon drawing cartoons while he's speaking. And he attracts the young Muslims. He attracts the young people. He attracts the people who are in their 20s. They are well educated, well versed. And he attracts the youngsters, the teenagers, the teenagers and 20s. And, you know, when I studied Islam, I realized that he is one of the biggest deceiver ever. Why? Because he doesn't act like a true Muslim. He act like a very peaceful person. He says things which attracts a peaceful, loving, good human being, but he deceives. He deceives while he's speaking. His words are so good, so elegant that sometimes I believe that he is not even a Muslim. But between the elegant words, you'll see the deception that is hidden. So I'm going to do a lot of videos about Noman Ali Khan, and I would request Noman Ali Khan to join me or invite me to his channel, doesn't matter. Noman Ali Khan, I would like to talk to you. Let's see if you can be honest and truthful in front of me, because the people that you're talking with do not know jack about Islam, and they are only laughing and smiling when you're speaking and saying mashallah and nothing else because they are ignorant. Fortunately, I left that ignorance. Now, why do I say that? I don't use harsh words for Noman Ali Khan, just like I use for the rest of the people, because he's a different kind of a breed. He came to the West probably at his early age, and he has a sophisticated way of speaking. But he's trying to exalt a devil. He's trying to exalt evil. So at the end of the day, we have to speak about it. And obviously, my challenge stands there for Noman Ali Khan to come and join me and prove your statements, because you can speak in front of a crowd who doesn't give you a rebuttal. And I challenge you, when you speak in front of me, you will not be an ustad as you claim to be. And that challenge will remain there until you accept and join in. And where are the Muslims? Any Muslim? Any Muslim who can explain this to me? Obviously, Ustad, so called, Ustad Noman Ali Khan will not, because he doesn't have the guts to talk in front of a person who has the knowledge and has 2 cents of a brain. He speaks in front of people who are kids, and he tries to deceive them, just like Allah is the best of all deceivers. The Khairul Makirin, the best of all deceivers, the best of Makkars, you know. And by the way, it's called Ustad, quotes and quotes, Ustad Noman Ali Khan. And I get amazed. Yes, he speaks very softly, very nicely, sweet, buttery tongue. But that's where it ends. Because at the end of the day, he will tell you deception after deception, and there is no Muslim who is listening to him has the guts to question him. They won't even question him. Even if they have something in their mind, they won't even question it. Yep, I don't think there's any Muslim who will take up uh, this challenge. I challenge all the Muslims to join in if they can, if they have the guts. But at the end of the day, I don't think they have the guts, because when I am talking, I'm giving you references on screen. When they talk, they don't give any reference, they just speak.